Just finished moving out of my apartment. I'm really quickly gonna film an empty apartment tour moving out, which I've never done before. Just show you guys what it looks like after living here for a year. Let me answer my phone. Hello? Okay, so it took us like 3 hours to get everything moved out, so I'm gonna really quickly just do an empty apartment tour. I'll link down below my apartment tour when I moved in and also my furnished tour, but it looks so weird seeing it empty. I'm definitely gonna get charged for some damage, and so I tried to hang things on the wall with command hooks, and they're supposed to come off clean. They did not. And then this is what the kitchen looks like. I really loved this kitchen. I do wish that the island was bigger, but I spent so much time eating here on my laptop. One thing about these white countertops was that they were really easily dirtied, and I think like the first month I moved in, I accidentally spilled from my candle some soot, and I tried it's not even focusing. Let me go this way. So you guys can see it's pretty stained, and I tried so hard to get that out. It just did not come out. But yeah, I really liked the kitchen. I loved that I had an ice maker, and the fridge was a little bit smaller than my previous apartment, but it was still pretty big for one person. One thing about this apartment is that when you move into brand new places, you can kind of see if they rushed it. And a couple months after I moved in, I noticed that they like just didn't finish that cabinet, so it kind of just goes like straight up in there with the random cord hanging out. And then some of the details definitely looked like they kind of rushed it. Oh, I thought that was a bug. What is that? It's like dirt. I loved this closet and the organization, but I hated this really tiny stackable washer dryer. The washer is the smallest washer I've ever had, and it has an agitator that takes up even more space. So I'm excited that my new apartment has full-size washer dryer, because I was doing laundry literally every day when I lived here. And then my room. This carpet was so tricky to vacuum, like things would just get stuck in it, but I actually like having carpet in the bedroom and the rest of the apartment being wood floor. Probably gonna get charged for this. I mounted my TV, which I only watched like 2 times, and yeah. I really loved the big windows in here, which I'm kind of scared my new apartment isn't gonna have as good lighting. And then the bathroom, again, white counters got dirty a lot. They got stained with hair dye. I gotta film my empty apartment tour. And then in the bathroom, I had shelves mounted here that were screwed into the wall, and I tried to get them out as much as possible, but they did leave holes in the wall and kind of like a stain there. Probably gonna get charged for that. So one thing about the closet that I did not like was the light to turn the closet on was inside the closet behind the door. So every single time I wanted to turn the light on, I had to reach around the door to do that. But other than that, it's a pretty big closet with lots of space. Just the light being on the inside kind of didn't really make sense to me. And this took you back to the main part. Why are you in my fridge? Then this was the balcony. This balcony was a lot bigger than my previous apartment, but because it was so close to the main road and the entrance, there was always people and cars driving by, and it was super loud. So that was one thing about this apartment being close to the main road, is that I could always hear cars coming in, and from my bedroom I could always hear people who were walking in through the gate. So my new apartment is, the window in my apartment faces a more quiet street, so hopefully it's not going to be as loud. If I ever opened my windows at nighttime, it was too loud to sleep because you can hear all the cars driving by. So the new apartment should be more quiet. Okay, last thing about the apartment, I did like the color scheme. So this apartment, the cabinets are all light colored. So it's white and then this light wood, and all of the hardware is gold. My new apartment, the kitchen is dark. So I'll see how that one turns out, but I did like the color scheme of this apartment. And then all of the backsplash was this white subway tile. Okay, so that is my empty apartment tour moving out. I'm going to be uploading my moving vlog number 2 and also empty apartment tour of my new place, so stay tuned for that one, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!